This isn't a cooking. This is a, Tina's doing plumbing here. My mother's toilet, somehow, I don't know, it flushes, but it doesn't fill up unless you turn it off and on. So, here I am. I'm gonna undo this. I already took this piece off. I don't know what that's called, but this is called Plumbing 101 with Tina. And this is the piece we need to buy a new one of. I think I'm zoomed in. Hold on. Phyllis, hold that. There we go. I gotta go buy this piece. Me and my mom are gonna be plumbers today. I think I can handle it. Alright, we're gonna go to either Home Depot or Lowe's. Oh, my mother says Home Depot. Be back. So here we're at the Home Depots. We're gonna go in and get our plumbing stuff.
I looked at this bike last year, and I was talking to the guy. I said, "What are you doing with it?" The guy's my son. He's in college, blah blah blah. And I said, "What's it want for?" He goes, $400. I said, "Okay, well let me know." So I went back this year. He goes, "Oh, I tried to call you." I said, "You didn't call me. I have the same number." He goes, "What did we agree on? 200?" I says, "Yep." He says, "Okay." He's a charge, $200. Come and get it. I got the title.
So we're on our way to go get it.
So
Who would have thought? It's a rainy day here, or drizzly anyways. Friggin' right. Green light, go.
I'm going.
Just kidding. So we're on our way on an expedition, a funky expedition to go pick a Kawasaki 400 up. We'll film a little bit as we go. Peace.
Here we are. There's a whole mess load of them. Tina's gonna try to figure it out. All in one, easy install. Oh my goodness.
Well, it's saying we're almost here. Like that. And it's in the woods. Look, we found woods again. So we'll let you see. Oh, there's a nice house.
Watch the house we're going to, Dave.
I don't know if I want to video record that part though.
Well, you can as we're going up the driveway.
Alright, we'll do that. It says 1 minute, so you guys will have to just stay tuned for a whole minute.
In a quarter mile, sharp left onto Pierce Road.
Sharp left.
Pierce Road.
We up the hill, down the hill.
Sharp left onto Pierce Road.
Oh, this is the road here, sharp. They said take a Sharpie.
In 600 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
What, Dick? I'm gonna show everybody where this guy lives.
There it is, right there. Went right by it.
Well, it says it's up further.
I know. I don't know why. That's Linda Circle right there, right?
Yep. It's one of those expensive driveways.
There's only 2 houses up there. There's this one. And the one we're
Got
going.
my cigarette out now.
Oh, there's the bike right there.
Oh,
Behind the truck.
there it is. Oh, it's coming home with us.
So here we go. Tina's got all the pots. She's gonna try to do this. And I'm gonna. Ma, wanna take that off? I won't show you. Alright, so I guess first things first, we gotta put this in. My mother's gonna put that pot in. Right? Mm-hmm. Ooh, we got water leaking out. Is it in?
You gotta put this in.
Oh, see,
Look at the thing.
Good thing I have my mother here. Hold on. And then that clamp goes up, right? Oh. You don't got it all the way on. You want me to push it on?
Don't push.
Hold on.
Did it go? Let me see how.
No, keep pushing it in, Mom. And then that clamp right here, yeah, You just squeeze that on it. Let me see.
Let me see that thing.
She is yelling at me. We're gonna pause this for a minute. All right, we're trying to figure this part out. Trying to put this piece on.
Oh, right here.
And push all the way down.
I can't. This thing is crooked.
Oh, maybe I have to keep twisting it, Mom. Hold on. So it's facing the other way. Right? And we're peeing again. That can't be up in the air.
No, I know. It's gotta go.
Are you gonna put the cover back on? Hold on.
Yeah, hold that.
You know, buddy, how do you want to do this, man? You're the guy. You're the man for this. I can push it back.
The chain's off, so might you be careful trying to put it up because it might get stuck a little bit.
The chain's off. Oh, okay. I see.
Oh, it wasn't locked earlier. I moved it.
I must have locked it.
Oh!
Wiggle the wheel.
There we go. Oh, no, that way.
All right, hold on. The back is gonna go on. Get on. Keep the front straight. Go ahead, Dave. Hop up here, bud. You got it, buddy? Come on.
Get strapped.
Yeah, he's got it.
All right. Good riddance.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Yeah,
Send me pictures. Let me, if you get running.
I'll see you again in
Yeah.
what, June, July?
Yeah.
I'll be there to see you how. Yeah, he's still around. Screw around with it.
Yeah.
We don't care. Yeah, oh yeah. What is it? Let's go to college, all that stuff. Yeah.
You can get a run in so it's
Yeah.
a little bit more money.
You know?
Get tired of it.
That's all. Yeah. You want this plate?
You know what?
Flip it off?
I don't even know if that's good plate or not.
Oh, why are you leaving it on? It's no good anyway.
Exactly. It's not registered, so.
We'll grab that. We'll grab that. I got it. Maybe put one around the back, dude? Just in the front? That's it? I was in there. Good job, Dave, not me. That's all? Oh, this is. I'm talking about.
I just don't like this hanging because once a year got beat in the head with one of these. Yeah, that fucking clip top. This was hanging,
Yeah.
and it went over here, went down here, under the tire, and
Whip
it
it out.
lifted up, smashed through the window and hit him in the back of the head.
In this?
Yeah. I had to get a new window.
Oh, no. Okay.
Huh? This is really nice. This is bigger than you thought. It's up to 4 cars. that's just what I returned to my dad. That should be it. Dude, I bought the same exact battery with me.
See that?
Well,
Hey,
it was
guys.
nice to meet you.
Nice
If you
meeting
want to
you.
check out my channel, it's
Yeah.
New Disney 1969
Oh, cool.
on YouTube.
You dizzy, huh?
I have a live show every Saturday, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m.
What do you do? Just all
I
bike stuff
do
or?
mini bike. I talk about everything.
Yeah.
Go karts, he does everything.
Yeah,
You see
I
the stuff he
build
does.
go-karts and
Anything with
big
motoring,
boards.
huh?
He's got a Model A in his basement.
Oh, really? In his basement?
Yeah.
1928 pickup.
Oh, wow.
I build mini bikes and go-karts and give them away to park it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I have a fire bike that's got working hoses and stuff, and I deliver toys to poor kids at this
Oh, awesome. I'll check out your site. Yeah, I'll check out your site too.
Yeah.
Hey, nice meeting you again. Take care.
All right, we'll
Talk soon. Yeah. We get in.
Oh, I don't think I was recording any other time, but I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'm twisting this plastic nut on. I think we got the rest of it fine. I hope. I don't want to twist it too hard. I don't want to break it. Oh, so far so good. We got it filling. I tightened everything as much as I could under here. It's just that little nut. We'll find out. About 3 hours later, we got it done. That's all I video. Enjoy.
All right, we're here in the shop now. You know what happened? The ghost came at me. I was recording with my phone, but look what we did. Let me touch the clutch here. Listen. So we're gonna have to definitely clean the gas tank, clean the carburetors, and then we'll have to give it a shot.
Yeah, it wants to run.
So that's
Yeah, you gotta pull it.
yeah, she wants to fire, but she got no gas in her, and we're gonna have to change the oil, maybe new spark plugs. But we got her in here in the shop. Yeah, and looks good. You happy, Colin?
Absolutely. For $200, how can I go wrong?
Scores!
Ooh, that's getting warm.
Drew, I don't know what you can see, but look, we're gonna use your new tool. Colin's gonna hold this camera.
Where am I holding it, buddy?
Anyway,
What are we doing?
I'm just gonna test this. I'm gonna hook one side onto one.
That's the negative.
It doesn't matter. This one lights up both ways. If there was any power in this. Oh yeah, there is. Look,
So, you
there's a
think,
little power. I could probably charge
you
this
think you try to
battery.
charge it to see, just
I can try and charge this. I bet you this will take a charge.
to see what we got going here?
Yeah. But it's going to take 24, 48 hours.
It don't matter.
But
Well,
I
at least
mean,
we know it turns over and everything, so the
fucking
motor's not
scored,
seized.
Dude. You scored. Nice. The seat looks good. The,
Yeah, just this tank, we'll paint it.
yeah, inside. If anybody's got a solution on what to put inside here to clean this, I'm not sure. I don't know what.
Hold on, let me,
flashlight.
I got it. Hold on. Dave, hold that, buddy.
But inside this is very, very bad.
It's looking sketchy.
Yeah, I don't know if you
I
can
don't know if
see
you can
it.
see in there. How's that? Is that better?
Looks nasty. Definitely nasty for myself right now. But we'll get this cleaned up. We'll put something in there, and I got a couple friends, old brat rider and stuff that will tell me some hints. Maybe
Yeah,
805
it's
Road
definitely-
King.
it's definitely rusty and shit.
And it smells like lacquer in there, so that's definitely got to come out of there.
Yep.
So I don't know what this video recorded, but another scores right before you did your live show.
You know